Hi there, my name is JP. I'm the CEO of text-to-SQL.AI, and today I want to show you how you can query any SQL database with or without prior coding knowledge. Whether you're familiar with SQL or not, I guarantee this tool is going to change how you interact with your data. Text2SQL.AI is an AI-powered platform that converts your natural language questions into accurate SQL queries. Just type what you want to know in plain English, and our AI generates the SQL, runs it against your database, and shows you the results. You can see exactly what SQL was generated, which makes it perfect for learning or validating the logic before running anything. The tool also works in reverse. Paste any SQL query and get a custom breakdown of what it does. Behind the scenes, it works by building a deep representation of your database schema and using the best AI models to generate, optimize, or explain queries. Our secure infrastructure ensures privacy by allowing you to avoid saving your actual data or giving it to AI models. It has support for most database engines, including PostgreSQL, MySQL, SQL Server, Oracle, and many more. You can connect to any cloud providers or to local instances using our desktop application. The platform connects directly to your existing databases with no migration or setup required. Everything runs through our web application or desktop app. So let me dive in directly and show you how fast you can get set up with the platform. So here you can see I am now logged in with a brand new account that I have created for this demo. Within a few minutes, we'll be set up and ready to start querying the data. So the first step it will ask me to do is to add my database. I can do this in a few intuitive steps here. I can choose my database engines. As you can see, we support a variety of databases. I can also connect using multiple methods. The recommended way to connect to your database is to give the credentials, and so we can query the database directly. This allows us to build the most accurate representation of your database, and it also allows you to do things like sync your database schema after making some migrations or some changes. But you can also use one of the other methods. The biggest advantage here is also that you can run the queries directly into the web platform or desktop application, as we'll see a bit later. So for this use case, I will use the demo database. If I just want to explore, this is a great option as it only takes a second, and now I am set up to start testing out the platform. The first thing I will do is generate SQL, which is the most popular use case for our platform. But you can also, as mentioned earlier, do things like optimize SQL and explain some SQL if you have some existing code that you would like to work with. So for this use case, as you can see, I've sent a very simple message. The AI will give me an explanation of what its idea is, and here I will get some clean SQL code that I can run directly from the platform. As you can see, it is pretty printed and formatted, so we can see exactly what it does in a easy to read fashion. And here I can run the query, and as you can see, it will return the results from the database in real time. I can expand it. This is useful if I get more results than what we currently have, and I can also download as CSV. So this is the basic interface that you'll probably spend a lot of time with, but we also have some other interesting features. We have a few templates that are ready to go if you need to do some advanced operations, such as generating a stored procedure. You can also connect as many databases as you want. In this case, I am connected to the demo database, but I can add, using the UI we previously seen, any database that I want. There is also one very interesting feature, which is the API. Here I can set up my database inside the web platform or desktop application, and then I can use the API to build my own integrations to my database, such as ad hoc reporting or user-made queries, so they don't have to reach out to your data analysts all the time to create some custom reports inside your application. You can do this very easily with the API, which is fully documented. You can also add some other people to your team, as we support the team members, and you can manage your billing in an easy to use interface right here. Hope this was helpful for you, and if you want to try it, please go to our website, which is linked in the description. Thank you for watching.